By continuously developing new parts, new products and new services, we inspire the youngsters. My name is Grizell. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for AEGIR-Marine. What we see as a trend is that parts are not recycled, or parts are not only refurbished, but parts are actually being remanufactured. That basically means, in our case, that a bow thruster is not just being upgraded, but it's remanufactured, so we bring back the tolerances back to a new build condition, and that allows us to sell a 25-year-old bow thruster to a new ship. And a classification society like Bureau Veritas is helping us to develop the rules and the repair procedure to allow us to sell used equipment as new. We are focusing on two things. Is that by continuously developing new parts, new products and new services, we inspire the youngsters. Another thing is that we have just become a B Corp certified company. That's a sustainability label, and by having this label we hope to attract young people that are not only interested in making money, they are more purpose driven. So they're also looking into what are we doing, why are we doing it, and does it actually benefit the world rather than just only making profits. For us it means three themes: meet, get inspired and have fun.